एक मिनट, अभी दिख रहा है? ओके, so now we can start here. So what's the thing? Firstly, you have to log in on the HMC. Okay, so I'm giving my HMC user ID and password. So if you see here, so what we can I can show you. See here in the system management, this is the HMC which are used to manage all the power servers. So if you click on the system management and servers, it will show you the all the servers which you can manage from here, from this particular HMC. Okay, so I just clicked on servers. See, it is came here. In the first server, like DPSM cake and one more, two servers it is showing. In this how it will, so let's see second server. I'm going to delete this and then I will add it again. Okay, so you can get the more understanding how it works. So firstly, see what is the IP address of this particular cake which I am going to remove. Okay, just click on right click. So here two options are there. First is you can do here all the operations. Second option, down. See down here also you can come on connections. Okay, service processor status. Click on his. See here you can see the IP address. Got it? So this is my FSP IP address. I show you in my this one MS Paint. Say HMC always connected to FSP, right? So when you got a new system, you will get a IP address on the FSP. With that, you can open a ASM page. How ASM page will work is the same. I will show here. FSP 126.136.44. I will show the same page here also, so that you can get the better understanding. So this is my ASM page, means FSP page. Okay, here also username password is there. You can just log in. So here I can see the error, the physical error log, all these things. If you want to shut down the system, you can see here. Okay. For ASM page, I will give you one link. In my YouTube, I have given the complete data there. Okay, I have made one video on the ASM page particular. Sorry?
Yeah, now what you want to say, just repeat.
Okay, thing is, I will give you one link. That is my YouTube page. Okay, there I have already created one video for the complete on ASM. Okay, you can go through that, and if you have any problem, you can talk to me on that. So now the thing is, from my server, I want to connect the one server, right? From HMC to server connection. So what I will do, I will firstly, let me remove. I'm going to reset and remove connection. Okay, just remove. Okay. So now in the server management, this server will be gone from HMC console. So now I cannot manage that particular power server from my HMC. But that partition, everything is running. Okay.
Yeah, server is running, but you cannot able to manage the particular server.
Right. So now the thing is how you can manage. Now how you add all these things. Just click on add manage system in the below. Can you see? Add manage system. Just come here in the HMC. It will ask about the IP address.
Okay.
See here. IP address and password. 1 2 say I'm giving the same.
It is from FSP or server IP address?
It is, if you are saying server IP address or FSP IP address, it is the same thing. Okay, here this IP is not the VS IP, it's not the AX IP, it is server IP, or you can say FSP IP. Okay, I just click OK, add. See, right now, see, it is showing, firstly it will come as a no connection, always. So then it will slowly move into the others, initializing, it will start.
Okay.
Just wait for a couple of seconds.
Address and FSP IP address are different or same?
Sorry?
Server IP address and FSP IP address are same or different?
See, both names are different, but things are same.
Okay. From the server, we can able to log in the server as well as through this, we can add FSP through HMC console also.
Right. You can, no, thing is, if you are saying, ki I want to log in on the server, there are the many different things are there. Firstly, you log in on the ASM page, you log in on the VS, you log in on the AIX. Okay, so all these terms are different. So right now, if you are saying I want to log in on the server, so might be it means you want to log in on the VS. Okay, if I'm saying I want please connect the HMC machine, please connect this power server to this HMC, it means you have to add the FSP IP into the HMC machine. So see here, now it is showing into operating state, right? So if I click on this power server, it is showing two partitions. See here, AX1 and VS1, right? How you want to create one more partition? Let's see, these, if you see these two partitions, both are not activated, means both are not running. Got it? So now thing is, you want to create a new partition. So first option, you can just right click on the server and do. Other option is come on the configuration in the below, create partition. Okay, I will firstly I will show you. Okay, okay. Okay, I will show you 1 minute. 1 minute. I will give you the answer of this, your question. Once you will see here how it will, you will automatically come to know. Let it be come. Yeah. See, I'm just clicked on the server. Come on the configuration, create partition. See in the create partition, what you can see? AX, Linux, AX or Linux, right? VIO or IBMI. Three options are there. So now what you want to create? It's up to you. Okay, if you want to create a VIO server, you have to select that. If you want to create AX or Linux, you have to select that. Got it? So let's say I want to create a VIO server. So I clicked on VIO. Because through VIO, you can create all the virtual adapters. Okay. So now partition name, ID you can give accordingly, otherwise it will take like two partition was already there, it will give the ID number 3. Okay, partition name, let's say I am giving VIS_test, or you can give accordingly your production, something like that. Okay, just next.
So it will create a new VIS server, right?
Right. No. First, again, here it will only create a profile. I am creating a profile. It is not the installation. Okay, this is a profile creation. I'm creating a partition profile.
Okay.
Okay, you got my point?
Yeah.
Okay, see, it is a some concept is different. I will show you GUI, means I will show you once I create the diagram, and I will show you how it will. Just see how the partition is creating. So here also you can give the same name, vs underscore test is the profile name, which it will show on this page.
Okay.
Next, see, now it is saying how many processor you want to give to this particular vs.
Okay.
So it will be shared processor or dedicated. Mostly we are giving the dedicated processor to the vs.
So in this particular server, any predefined software installed, or any AI server can able to with any AI server we can able to do such type of thing.
See, sorry, come again, repeat your question.
Actually, I want to know that in this particular server, such facility is already available, or any AI server we can define VIO server, and we can create such type of we can create such type of VIO server. So, particular server, any facility for VIO?
No. See, things are there. So first thing, license should be there. Virtualization license. Okay, if that is enabled, you can create. Okay, otherwise it will not give you this option VS. All the servers options are there. Only you need to just check license is there or not. Okay, it is just like you have created in the VMware. You are creating any partition, Windows, Linux, right? So it is just like the profile creation. Like in the VMware, you select create one virtual machine, then you can giving the processor, memory, hard disk, right? So it is just like same thing. After that, you are opening a console and start the installation. Installation, yeah. You got my point?
Then after you can define you can give the part of ISO file or template.
Right. So here logic is little different, but it is the same thing. Means from there also you are giving the path of ISO file and then start the installation, right? Here also our NIM server is there. From NIM server we are pushing the image to the server and start the installation. So there is no much difference in both, but yes, it is working. Okay, so here you can just create the processor. How many processor you want? One I have mentioned. Next, memory. You just give it to everywhere 2 GB. That's fine.
Any limitation for designing memory or up to which maximum? Okay, maximum. It's 256.
No. That is not maximum. That is by default 256 MB. This server has 500 GB RAM. Okay. So 500 GB you can give, because VS will only use to virtualize the hardware. So it will not take much processor or much memory. Okay. So now this is the hardware list. Hardware list means RAID controller means your hard disk. So this is the main part. So your serial controller is there, which you want to 10 GB, FCOE 1 GB adapter is there. FCOE is fiber channel over Ethernet. Down this one is FCA adapter, like for your SAN connectivity. Okay. Again your SAS controller is your hard disk. So here you cannot see a individual hard disk. You can see here controllers only. So in your server, you can order according to your requirement, means how many controllers you want, right? So here you can see one SAS controller is this, one is this, 2, other is C3, 4. These 4 are the SAS controller. Might be down also there some. Yes, down also 2 or more are there. Total 6 SAS controller and 2 RAID controller.
Okay.
So 2 PC, that is PCI. This is SAS RAID controller. It's one is on the top. Okay. So that in these controllers you have the hard disks. But here it doesn't mean in your server if there is 10 hard disks, that is might be the part of only 2 controllers. 5 might be 2 in each controller. Okay, so accordingly you have physical, you have to see and you can get the realistic image in your mind what has what. Okay, so once you select here hardware, let's see, you need minimum 1 RAID controller.
I think some problem, just a minute, maybe problem at your side. I cannot able to, now I think it's okay. Okay, now your cursor is moving right now. Yeah.
Okay, so just you can select 1 RAID. See, for the installation you need 3 things. One is hard disk. Second is FC1, you require the FC adapter if you need the SAN disk, right? Third, you require the network card. So network card, let's see, you have assigned this one. Okay. So these 3 things you have just add in your profile and next.
Okay, great. So in VMware, I think we cannot able to add with, I think this configuration wise all parameter available. In VMware, we can define, I think, CPU, memory and hard disk, right? Ethernet, I think, okay, we can select Ethernet also in VMware. So is it shared Ethernet or it's a dedicated Ethernet for the particular VMware?
See, for VS, it is dedicated. After that, from dedicated, it will create the virtual for the clients. See, now we are came on the virtual adapters. If you see here you can create the virtual adapter Ethernet, fiber channel, for hard disk, all the virtual adapters you can create here.
Okay, so now we are creating one VIO instance. Then on VIO instance we can create VIO.
Right.
Right. There is one concept actually. One physical Ethernet plus one virtual Ethernet. We use one shared Ethernet, and all the HMC machines are connecting to the shared Ethernet through that virtual Ethernet. That was the concept of I think the VIO. It is having some concept related to one physical plus one virtual gives one shared Ethernet, and we connect to the shared Ethernet, that is through virtual Ethernet.
1 minute. Might be I'm not very much clear, but I will just tell you how it works. Okay, then you can tell me you are telling the same thing. So here how it works. Let's see, this is your VS server. Okay, VS create one virtual adapter. So one virtual Ethernet. Let's see, virtual SCSI. Let's see, 2. This is FC. So client side, let's see, this is AIX. Okay, that adapter connect to here, means logic. This is the logical, not the physical. Okay, because VS also in the same server and AX also in the same server. This is called the physical devices which we assign to this VS. Let's say this is your FC or Ethernet, or this is your vSCSI, means your hard disk. Okay, this is physical inside. Logically it's connected to this machine or this adapter, and this is connected to this adapter. So it is, yeah.
Able to share multiple machine with the same virtual adapter.
Right. So you can, same physical adapter, you can create multiple here settings, multiple adapters here. In the VS, you will create the multiple virtual adapters, and that virtual adapters will create to multiple AX. Let's see, this is one more AX. Okay, then one more you created, but backend only physical to 1 is there. Got it?
Okay. Just like there is share, these concepts similar to share adapter, no?
Yeah, it is share Ethernet adapter.
Okay, share Ethernet adapter. Sorry, but latency or some chances for latency or maybe some
See, in the IBM hardware, mostly in the production environment, you will always create two in the backend. Two means one, if one network are down, you always give the backend two,
Okay.
right, for higher redundancy.
Okay.
Or you can create a two VS in each server, so that if one VS goes down, your path will be okay for other.
Okay.
Got it?
On single VIS, how many VIO we can able to create? Any limitation or?
See, I have created up to 4. I think 8 you can create. Okay, and it all depends upon your server.
Okay.
How it will okay, how it will work for your server. Let's see, your server, this is your server. Okay, your server need how many for 4 VS, it needs 4 NIC card minimum, right? 4 SAS controller hard disk, right? And minimum 4 FC cards.
Okay.
So this is the minimum requirement for 4 VS. CPU memory is the secondary thing, but minimum these things should be there.
Okay.
Then only, because each VS you will give one NIC card, one SAS controller, one FC.
Okay.
Got it?
But we can able to use shade, so why require 4 NIC card? Because we can able to use shade, one NIC card is
Shared, right? That is fine, but VS is in the VS you cannot use the virtual.
Okay.
You can create the virtual into the AX and Linux. In the AX and Linux, you can use the virtual adapters.
Okay.
But on the VS, you have to select the physical adapter only.
Not understanding.
See,
Actually देखो उसमें अभी एक आपका कहना ये है कि चार निक रिक्वायर्ड है, ओके, बट वी कैन हम लोग उसको वर्चुअल भी यूज कर सकते हैं, राइट?
नहीं 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 नहीं, जो VS क्रिएट होता है ना, VS वर्चुअल पे नहीं. जैसे एक ले लो, ESX VMware का ESX सर्वर है,
हाँ.
तुम उसको वर्चुअल क्रिएट करोगे कभी?
हेलो.
तुम ये बताओ कि VS का जो VMware सर्वर का ESX सर्वर है, VMware सर्वर,
हाँ हाँ.
उसको कभी वर्चुअल पे क्रिएट करोगे?
नहीं नहीं, वो तो फिजिकल पे रहेगा.
हाँ, तो ये भी फिजिकल पे ही रहता है.
तो आप बोल रहे हो VIOS के अंदर IO हम वर्चुअल ले सकते हैं, बट जो VIOS बनेगा एक सर्वर के अंदर उसका इंटरनेट फिजिकल होना चाहिए.
राइट, क्योंकि वही जैसे VMware में जो होता है, जो उसका ESX सर्वर है वो क्रिएट करता है वर्चुअल अडॉप्टर्स, राइट? तो ये भी वर्चुअल अडॉप्टर्स क्रिएट करता है क्लाइंट्स के लिए, अपने VMs के लिए, राइट?
ठीक है.
समझ आ गया? जैसे उसमें ESX सर्वर होता है, हमारे इसमें VS सर्वर होता है. ठीक है, अभी इसमें कोई क्लाइंट नहीं है, तो मुझे वर्चुअल अडॉप्टर अभी मैं बना नहीं रहा हूं. तुम नेक्स्ट करो, देन कम ऑन द होस्ट चैनल अडॉप्टर. नॉट रिक्वायर्ड टू डू हियर, दिस इज स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ कार्ड आल्सो, होस्ट चैनल अडॉप्टर. Okay, no need to right now, you no need to select. Okay, so here you have to just select SMS menu if you want to move to the directly to SMS. Otherwise normal also is fine. Okay, but when you click on the normal or you want to start installation, you have to manually move into the SMS menu. See, partition created. If you open,
मेनू को क्या कॉन्सेप्ट है एक्चुअली?
यार एसएमएस मीनू इज जस्ट लाइक द सेम। तुम VMware पे कंसोल ऊपर क्लिक करते हो ना उसका कंसोल लेने के लिए, तो वो तो इसमें वो कंसोल लेने के लिए हम एसएमएस मीनू बोलते हैं। ओके जैसे हमने मतलब इसको एक्टिवेट करेंगे तो वो मैं दिखाता हूँ, एक मिनट। राइट क्लिक, कंसोल विंडो, ओपन टर्मिनल विंडो। मैं इनको पहले स्टार्ट कर दूं, देन आई विल एक्टिवेट इट। और नहीं तो दूसरी ऑप्शन एक और भी है मेरे पास शो करने की। 1 मिनट। You can directly log in from your HMC also. How? Through Putty also.
इसका बहुत सारा कमांड लिस्ट है ना, वो लेवल चेक करने का, वो थोड़ा
वो मैं जैसे जैसे आपको होगा ना मैं आपको बताता जाऊंगा। ठीक है, जैसे मैंने फर्स्ट सर्वर पे लॉगिन किया, अभी मैं एक मशीन के ऊपर कंसोल ओपन करता हूं, मैं इसको एक्टिवेट कर रहा हूं। See, I am going to activate this profile. Okay, right now it is not activate. So मैंने अभी क्या किया, इस पे आके 3 नंबर के अंदर एंटर कर गया। ये देखो, ये है एसएमएस मीनू, इसको बोलते हैं एसएमएस मीनू। तो ऊपर देखिए मैंने 1 प्रेस किया एसएमएस मीनू के लिए, ये वाला, तो ये एसएमएस मीनू में आ गया, इसको बोलते हैं। तो यहाँ पे मैं सब कुछ सिलेक्ट करता हूँ, मेरी इमेज कहाँ से आएगी, वो जो इमेज की डिटेल है, जैसे हम उसमें आईएसओ इमेज सिलेक्ट कर देते हैं, इसमें आईएसओ इमेज नहीं होती है एक्स की।
ओके, तो उसमें एक्स में क्या मतलब क्या रहता है, इसमें
निम सर्वर रहता है।
ओके,
निम सर्वर, तो निम सर्वर की हमें डिटेल इसमें देनी पड़ती है। जैसे यहाँ पे आके मैं आपको बताता हूँ, एक मिनट। इसके अंदर कोई भी
डिजाइन करना पड़ता है क्या हमको, जैसे जम होता है, वैसा ही है ना ये निम सर्वर माने तो?
निम सर्वर हाँ यार वैसे ही होता है कुछ, लेकिन यम की तरह नहीं है। जैसे यम तो बहुत आसान है, निम सर्वर अपने आप में क्या है मैं तुम्हें दिखा देता हूँ। PCAjet वो अपने आप में एक साला पंगा ही है। उसमें क्या होता है, सारी इमेजेस पड़ी रहती हैं। हाँ
नॉर्मल आयत को अटैच करके ओएस इंस्टॉल नहीं हो सकता?
नहीं वो नहीं इसमें है। See, this is my NIM server. Here. So from this is GUI is our self-made. Okay. Your GUI is not with the server itself. It is coming. Okay. See, here I can select my name server and here my email ID so that we can just show it. After that you can select the number of images are available, means VS की image, AX की image, वो सारी you can select from the name server. This is a GUI based but you can do from the CLI also.
Automatic updates available. This is internet based or it's a
local मेरे local server पे है।
तो आपने इमेज अपलोड किया हुआ है कि कैसा है इसमें?
हाँ, ये मैं इमेज अपलोड किए हुई हैं सारी। तो VS में इमेज अपलोड करने के बाद भी तुम्हें बहुत सारे स्टेप्स है टू मैनेज ये। दीज ऑल आर द VS इमेजेस, सम आर द लिनक्स इमेजेस वी हैव एंड अदर्स आर AX इमेजेस। See here, come up. It is the AX images.
तो इसमें ये iOS पे Linux भी सपोर्ट करता है ये?
हाँ, पावर अभी पीपीसी भी इंस्टॉल करता है, मतलब लिनक्स आ रहा है पीपीसी मोड में, ये पीपीसी 64.rpm. Okay, so it supports that also. So once you start from here, it will connect to. You have to select the server name, all these details from SMS menu, and you can start. Or then it will come like this. I will show you like this VS server. Here, this is already running, right? So it will come like this, and you can other operation you can do from here. This is my installed machine. Okay, from here you can see the little configuration, like I will show you. See here, if you come on the virtual adapters, see how many virtual adapters are here. See here, for every Ethernet there is Ethernet, FC, SCSI, all these are the virtual adapters which are connected to one of the client partition. Client, see here, this channel is attached to this machine, this SCSI disk is attached to these machines. Okay, so accordingly it will work.
So these are VIO instance or what is this?
These are the virtual adapters, which means see here, this side, like this machine. Okay, he got the virtual FC adapter from this physical adapter through VS. See, you have the two options. You can directly give one physical device to the your virtual machine, or you can give the virtual adapter through the VS. ठीक है ना? तो ये मैंने सारे वर्चुअल अडॉप्टर्स दिए हैं क्लाइंट्स को थ्रू VS सर्वर. ये दो है मेरे फाइबर चैनल, फर्स्ट दो है मेरे इथरनेट, और ये सारी है हार्ड डिस्क. ओके,
तो अभी आप एक VIO क्रिएट करेंगे हम, तो उसमें कैसा, अभी जैसे ISO हम VMware में देते हैं, इसमें कैसे करेंगे? NIM में कुछ हमको बताना पड़ेगा कि
नहीं, NIM जो हमारा निम सर्वर है उसमें मुझे ऐसे देना होता है सर्वर का नाम. जैसे मुझे यहाँ पे अभी उसकी एंट्री DNS में करनी पड़ेगी. जैसे मैं कुछ भी नाम दे दूं उसका, मतलब मेरा सर्वर है वो सैटर्न, कुछ भी जो भी नाम है उसका डोमेन नाम मुझे देना पड़ता है, तो वो DNS में होना चाहिए. यहाँ पे इमेज सिलेक्ट करता हूँ. लेट्स सी, मैंने ये कोई भी इमेज सिलेक्ट कर ली. लेट्स सी, ये सिलेक्ट कर ली, सर्वर का नाम दे दिया. .44.blr.htdlabs.ibm.com. ठीक है, यहाँ पे सबमिट कर दिया. तो वो एरर दे देगा, अभी उसका शायद नाम नहीं है उसमें DNS में मेरे में, सो माइट बी इट विल गिव द एरर. और देन मतलब अगर ये प्रॉपरली चलता है तो व्हाट इट विल से द मैसेज कि इट इज पुश्ड. यहां से पुश हो जाती है इमेज, वहां पे SMS मेन्यू में जाके मुझे इसको पुल करना पड़ता है. मुझे उसमें निम सर्वर का IP एड्रेस मतलब सर्वर नेम देना पड़ता है वहां पे. तो फिर वो अपने आप स्टार्ट हो जाता है इंस्टॉलेशन. हाँ, अभी उसने बोल दिया कि वो डिफाइंड नहीं है उसके ऊपर. भाई VS AX लिनक्स इंस्टॉलेशन प्रोसेस यही है.
from the NII one that already comes in the
नो भाई, यहाँ पे कंफ्यूज मत हो। VS, ये जो फिजिकल मशीन की तुम बात कर रहे हो ना, फिजिकल मशीन में पहला OS जहां तो AX होगा, जहां फिर तुम्हारा VS होगा, और वो HMC के थ्रू इंस्टॉल्ड होगा। मतलब देयर इज नो अदर वे राइट नाउ, मीन्स IBM is the separate option. If you have the HMC, you have to just connect the machine and install the VS. That's all.
तो ओके, पूरा में आपको फिजिकल सर्वर भी आपके पास है, तो HMC के थ्रू आप पूरा उसका इंस्टॉलेशन भी कर सकते हो।
होता ही HMC के थ्रू है भाई इंस्टॉलेशन।
नॉर्मल जैसे हम लोग सर्वर रूम में जाके जैसे
CD डाल दिए वैसा कर दिया, तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है इसमें।
नहीं है, रिमोटली आपको हो सकता है वो।
हाँ राइट।
खाली आपको जो FSP है उसको कॉन्फ़िगर करना पड़ेगा, राइट?
हाँ, नए सर्वर पे FSP का IP कॉन्फ़िगर करना पड़ेगा, दैट्स ऑल। उसके बाद HMC से कनेक्ट करो।
FSP का कोई प्री डिफाइंड IP आता है या
हाँ राइट, उसका प्री डिफाइंड IP होता है जो आपको फ्रंट OP पैनल पे दिखाई देता है।
ओके,
तो OP पैनल पे आप देख सके, उसमें कॉन्फ़िगर कर दो। तो कॉन्फ़िगर करने के बाद HMC में कनेक्ट कर लो, कनेक्ट करने के बाद हो गया, बाकी काम तुम्हें यहीं से करना है सारा। ठीक है, एक काम करूंगा भाई, मैं एक पूरा सिस्टम रेडी कर लूंगा।